Hello, friends. Once again, after a long year, I'm your friend MG from my channel Sarvaguruji. Today, I'm going to tell you how can you install ESXi 7.0 on your physical hardware or physical server. Let's start. First, you need to make a bootable pen drive. Download the ISO from the Broadcom side and make a bootable pen drive and start the installation. And you can see I choose the pen drive and boot from the pen drive. It's booting from the pen drive. It's installation of the ESXi 7.0.0. It will not take too much time. ESXi is a bare metal. We can install directly on bare metal hardware, and it's now ESXi VMware is converted into Broadcom. So it's Broadcom. It's initializing of the drive. It will take not hardly 5 to 10 minutes max. Only we have few seconds. Just follow the instructions and installation will be complete. Now we can download the image from ISO Broadcom ESXi, and it's a 7.0.3. You can see on the top VMware ESXi 7.0.3. Its installation is in process. So once it will be loaded completely, then you will see a few options about the disk space, how much space we will have on their total. It will show on their total hard disk. So now click on enter to continue. Press the enter key. Now it says F11 to accept the and continue. Now it will present a total hard disk of your systems. So I have two disks here. One is 1.82 terabytes and another one is 476. So I'll choose 1.8 terabyte and click on enter to continue. Enter to OK. It's provide the enter to continue. Use language. Need to enter the credential. F11 to install. That's it. Now it will take hardly 1 or 2 minutes and then it will reboot. We need to, once it will complete, it will show that we need to remove the media, I mean pen drive which you inserted on for boot. Once it will 100% complete, then we need to pen drive from that system, then we'll need to reboot the system. It says please remove the installation media and click on reboot. Let's do it. To remote, and this is going to reboot. Once you remove the media and click on the enter the reboot, after reboot you will see this screen. Now installation has been done. Now we can set the IP address over here. If we want to set the IP address, press F2 for customize. Press F2 and modify IP settings, and installation has been done. Once you've done the setting about the IP address, you can connect your system to the network and put the IP address over the browser. Once you hit the enter key, you will access the ESXi over the browser. So installation has been done. Thank you very much. Thank you once again.